Right, Chloe, well, 58 is what you're estimating. That would be quite poor compared to your current standards, so let's see whether that's a pessimistic estimate. 65, 41, 210, 250 cubic millimeters is wrong. It's 250 cubic centimeters. That's quite a difficult one to compare. So why have I ticked it? So 3 there, 6 there, 60 is good enough, and you've got your method, so 9, 11 out of 12 on that first page. Well done. Cylinder and cone and tangent are correct. Diameter goes all the way across. That's diameter. That is a radius. So make sure you learn that. That's not accurate enough for it to be perpendicular. Get your clear ruler, line one of those lines on your clear ruler up with a line and slide it across until the edge goes through the point. That then is perpendicular. Okay, so it's not obvious enough. That one is. All you have to do here is count cubes, really. So in the back there you would have 2 that you can see and 2 behind it, so there's 4 cubes in one layer, and you've got 1, 2, 3 layers if that goes up there, so it's 12. And then the units for volume, centimeters cubed. So I'm surprised you couldn't do that. That's good. 4 on that page. Difference in height between the junction and the grotto is 20. You've got minus 20, so let's see if I can allow that or not. Minus 20 is 0, no. So the difference is just 20, not minus 20. £2.40 is correct. 81 pence cheaper. Good. 5, 8 for that page. That is correct. Well done. £13.11 is right. Good stuff. So Helen would get, right, so let's work through what you've done. Your answer's right, so you're definitely getting 6. 8 lots of £8.74, 5 lots of £8, so £305 that. £358.34, take away £340. So that's right, for the 35 hours she gets paid £305.90. For the extra 4 hours she would get £3.11 an hour. But I can't see from your working where that £13.11 came from, because this bit is wrong. And that £17.48 doesn't mean anything either. So let's go through it. You get your 1 mark for the 39 hours. You get your 1 mark, no you don't, sorry, the £305.90 you get 2 marks for. Then what you should be doing is finding the total you've got the £358.34, you should be taking the £305.90 from that and then dividing the difference by 4. So you've fudged it somehow, or you've had a look at somebody else's, but you've gone wrong at this point here. So you are going to lose a mark for your overtime and then not get anything there because I can't see what you've done. I'm not convinced. You will need to convince me where that 1311 came from. And communication wise, you're not communicating what's going on there at all. You're just telling your story at the end, which isn't what we're looking for. So although you got the 1311, which should give you 6 marks at least for that, I'm not convinced that you've done the right maths. So I'm only giving you 3. 3, 6 for the page. That one is multiplying by 3. This one is going down, so it's either been subtracted or divided. 48 divided by 3 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3 over 4 is 3/4, which is 0.75. So what you're looking for there is dividing by 4. That one's right. That's right. This one, that bit is right, but that's not. When you add those together, you've just got to leave it as 21 plus 4n. 21n plus 4n is 25n, but you haven't got an n with that part of it. 4, 6, 8, 9 for the page. That's good. That one, have a look at the video clip. We've done some practice with fractions. You should be able to do that now. Right, what have you done here? Well, that part is right. So you've worked out the 1364. You've worked out the £181.41. You've worked out the VAT correctly. Which should go there. Then you need to add those up and that after it, and something's gone wrong beyond that. So your final answer is wrong, but also you need, because it's money, you need to give correct to 2 decimal places, which you haven't done. Scattergraph is good. 5 for the page. 28 positive 23. So they're good. Now this scatter line of best fit has to go through the point 3228, and yours does. So you get 4 marks for that. Take a look how I go through that. You should be able to do that. We've done ratio recently. That's Pythagoras. It's harder, and it is something that we will practice. That's correct. Well done. That is a harder piece of algebra we will be practicing in coming weeks. And on the back page, 2 bracket 3x minus 4 is good. 2.5 is too big. 2.3 is too small. So it lies between 2.3 or 2.4. So you're going to get 2 marks for that. You then need to go halfway between. Let me just check the mark scheme with this. Sorry, so you have gone halfway, so there's your halfway. That's too big, so it's the smaller. Yeah, so that's good. 2, 4, 5 for the page. So 58 you think? Let's see. 11, 18, 22, 30, 36, 45, 49, 54, 60, 63, 68. 10 marks better than you thought. And once again, a solid and safe C. Well done, Chloe.